Mabuhay. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City, Philippines. Today is our year-end of our duty to our office. Since today is our last day of our work in the office, so we have a year-end simple celebrations. We have siupaw, we have chop suey, we have orange, we have pansit, we have wine. Pampaswerte daw. But actually, I believe God's blessings. Everything is blessings from our Creator, our God Almighty One. Simple lang nga mo ang year-end party sa office with my staff. But happy ko. I have the red wine. This is my favorite. Thank you to the company. Thank you everyone. God bless us all. Happy New Year. This is Alexi from the Philippines.